Hello everyone and welcome to this first devlog for Little Big Adventure Purple Empire. So the objective of this first episode is to explain you a little bit more how we create the game. So if you remember what we explained for Twins and Quest, what we do is that we use the original code, actually the original data from the original game, and we import them into Unity. So let's go into Unity. So we're using Unity 6. As you can see here, you might see something that looks a bit familiar to you. That's normal because it's a part of Citadel Island. It's the harbor, of course. And what you can see here, it's super interesting. So you will see all the characters. You will see also, of course, the terrain, the level, and the flag with also the red lines. You will see also what is the routine of the NPC, and it works for many scenes. So we reuse what you did for Twins Quest, and sometimes it doesn't work because it's a new thing from LBA2, and we need to adjust it. So let's do like let's go to another example. Let's import a new scene. I'm gonna select this one. And here it's center of Luxembourg. What is super cool is that you see all the characters. The characters are animated, and you see the characters also on each chapter. And so if a scene here in particular, you have like 3 different versions of this part. So before, like in the rain, after the rain, and after the invasion, you'll see everything here. And we have the data. So if we run the game and we say it's this chapter, you will see a difference. So you see it's pretty amazing. You have all the details on terrain and all the characters. And this works basically for everywhere. So I think it's enough talking. Let's go into the game. So let me show you what we have right now. So this is the build that is available. If you are in tier 2 or tier 3 the coffee. So let's go. So what you see here, we have the dialogues already working. We have the cinema mode, so you have the 2 black stripes on top and back. Here I'm playing with the controller. You see that this is of course Winston's house, beginning of the game. We don't really use the texture, it's mostly for us to help us like realize what is in this scene. Actually, we don't really use it. And we can move everywhere. And let's go outside. And here, welcome to Citadel Island. So as you can see, we are doing some tests on the camera. So right now it's a photo camera. You can also move around with your mouse or with your right stick. It's of course work in progress. It's the first version. And then you can see this works. Let's go to the lighthouse. We have the crab. Hey little crab. And you also have some what we call the camera zone, so that were like in the original game, and they still works. So they are also imported when we import the data. That's pretty cool. As you can see, of course, it's the model from Twins Quest for Twins. So I can roll, can jump. There's no magic roll for now, no projectile. And I can talk with everyone. So of course, it's supposed to be raining, it's supposed to be the storm. So the guy in the scooter is hiding. Let's go and see our little friends. So he can hit you already. And then, wow, I can hit him. So this kind of interactions means that they are already working. They are already imported in the game. So we don't know yet if it works for all of them, but like this one works. So it's pretty impressive. Hey. So we started to add some modification. So here you can see like what we added in the first game. Fun stuff here. If you look closely, top left, you will see the Dinofly on the Dome of the Slate. Because in the original game, you're not supposed to see this. So it wasn't a problem because as soon as you gain access to the Dome of the Slate, you have the Dinofly. But here we have two Dinofly actually in the map. One next to Zoe, next to us, and one here. So this kind of stuff we will need to modify, well, like to do modification, otherwise it would be like too strange. And you can move here around. And I got 3 cache. So we imported only one interior because we are still like working on the importation. And as soon as the importation process works, we can import the entire game, like we did for LBA1. For LBA1, we imported everything a bit too soon, so it created a lot of problems for us. So now we are more like doing more gradually. So let's make sure that everything that we do is working. Here, this one, it doesn't work. And then we import everything. But we can already test the camera, the different zone. So yeah, basically that's it for the first devlog. So please tell us in the comments what you think about it, what you want to see. Was it like enough precise, not enough precise, too technical, not enough technical? Please tell me. And otherwise, next month. And thank you everyone. See you soon.